Hello friends, and welcome back to the classes of Python conducted by Net Forum. Here the topic of discussion is for loop. For loop play a very important role in Python programming because the concept of iteration in Python is a little bit different from other languages, and here comes the beauty of Python, why Python is being preferred today. So the concept is very much conceptual and technical. Let's directly go to the program and see how it all works, right? But before explaining Python, before explaining for loop, let us now focus on another very important point, that is known as the concept of range. Range is a function in Python which is being used in creating a series of number, right? Suppose I have put it range 10. So range 10 will going to give me a list of 10 numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, right? Basically what happens that the loop in Python is iterative, not incremental. Iterative means it keep on going visiting element one by one. There is nothing like I++. So let us have a difference between the loop in Python and C++, suppose. So the loop in C++ is like this: for I equal to 0, I is less than 5 and I++, right? Here all we know that how this C++ loop will going to work. I equal to 0 is the condition, initial condition. It will going to, of course, check the condition, and then if condition is 2, then it will going to print the result, print the statement, and then make the increment, 1, 2, 3, and again check the condition and continue the process. We all know this particular loop work in this particular way. It initialize the condition, right, check the condition, execute the statement, increment it, again check the condition, execute the statement, right? But in Python the scenario is little bit different. How it is different? For I in range 5 colon print hello Python, right? Look, we do programming on laptops, we do programming in desktops, and we do programming in these particular platforms, but the concept can only be understood on the board. First you have to get the technical concepts on board, then you just going to implement that particular thing. If you start learning directly on practical, you will going to miss the important constructs, because they provide number of aids while doing the programming. Like they provide different type of libraries by default, they provide the braces by default. But if you do programming from, if you do want to do programming from dust, then you have to spend time on the whiteboard, you have to spend time on your notebook by writing each and every important construct, right? So let us now start. Here there is no need to initialize. So how it work? For I in is a very important word. In is saying that in this particular range of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Okay, I have to be in range. If I is in range, print hello Python. So what I will do, I iterate. First I goes to 0, okay, print hello Python. I goes to 1, print hello Python. I goes to 2, print hello Python. I goes to 3, print hello Python. I goes to 4, print hello Python, right? This is very important point to be remember. Now my dear friends, suppose there is a string. Now we can do lot of things in Python. There is nothing like that we can do only one thing in Python. We can iterate on strings also. We can iterate on different type of elements in a very easy way. Suppose a string, let us now rub this particular thing and then have another example. Suppose I have taken a string s equal to hello world. It is simple string, no problem. I want to print hello world the number of times equal to the length of the hello word, right? Again, print hello world number of times equal to the length of string given to us. So this is hello world. What we will do, we'll just going to calculate the length. You can see that all these things will happen in just simple statement. For I in range 0 to len s, that's it. Print hello world. And it will print, it will work. Len calculate the length of this particular string, and from 0 to 1 less than, suppose the length is 11, then 0 to 10 list will get prepared automatically. 0 to 10, 0, 1, so on to 10, and this 11 times this print hello world will going to get printed. We can also print the elements of the string. How can we do that? For this we do in this way. We can also print the characters of the string in a very, very easy way. Let us see. So now the concept is write a program to print words of a string. Suppose I want to print the words of a string. How I will do? I just have to split it. L equal to s dot split. And how I have to split? I have to split where I will find the space. Split is the function. We come on these functions later on, and we're going to focus on these functions later on. But at this moment of time, we just have to focus on split. What split will do? Split will simply split hello, and the moment it finds space, it split word. We have another function join also to join these things on the basis of spaces or comma. We'll come on that later on. Now here what I will do, for I in L. Now we don't need length. Why? This is the point which I would like to tell you. Print I. That's it. And we will get hello and word printed. So you have to, how it will work? This split will going to give me an array of hello, comma, word. It will get attached here, and for I in L, that is hello will print. For I in L, world will print. In this way, both of the strings will, or both of the words will get printed of this particular string. So it is known as iteration, right? So I hope you like this particular concept of for loop. We will go in more detail of this adventure of Python in our next forthcoming classes. Thank you very much.